Hello guys! Welcome to Math Angat. Sa mga new watchers natin, Math Angat provides videos to help you learn different lessons in math. So, ito na yung answers reveal natin sa exercises video about adding and subtracting integers. So, yung exercise videos natin meron 3 parts. First part is all about addition of integers. Second part, subtraction of integers, and then yung last part is a true or false. So let's start with addition of integers. So first number, we are asked what's the sum of 16 plus 4. Alam ko madali lang yun sa inyo, pero let's check kung paano siya ginagawa sa number line. So ang technique dito, first draw a number line, and then plot or locate natin kung nasaan yung 16. So, I'll be using a character para mas makita niyo siya ng mas malinaw. So, dito yung 16. So, pe-place ko yung character ko dyan. And then, the technique na i-share ko sa inyo, i-check natin yung operation dito. So, kung addition, yung character natin, nakatingin siya sa right. And then, kapag subtraction naman, yung operation, nakatingin siya sa left. So, in this case, positive yung number 4, and then plus ito. So, ibig sabihin, nakatingin siya sa right, and then mag-move siya ng 4 steps kung saan siya nakaharap. There. So, ibig sabihin, 16 plus 4 is equal to 20. So, let's try na another number. Negative 3. And then, locate it on the number line. So, nakaharap siya sa right. Kasi plus yung operation natin. Yan, dahil addition yung operation natin, nakatingin siya sa right, and then mag-move tayo ng 10 steps. Then, we'll end up at 7. So, pansinin nyo, 10 minus 3, 7 yung sagot. Negative 3 plus 10, 7 din yung sagot. So, another example, negative 8 plus negative 8. Negative 8. Ito yan. And then, since negative yung number natin, negative yung integer, so, instead na mag-move forward siya to the right, parang aatras siya ng 8 steps. And then, we'll end up at negative 16. So, negative 8 plus negative 8 is equal to negative 16. So, let's check other examples pa for addition. Okay, ngayon naman, let's move on to the subtraction of integers. First item, we are asked to find the difference of 12 and 8. And we can also use the technique that we used kanina sa addition of integers. So, let's locate 12. But since ang operation natin is subtraction, so magma-minus tayo, we'll move yung character natin. Dapat facing siya dun sa negative values. So, naka-face siya to the left. Tapos, mag-move forward siya kung saan siya nakaharap ng 8 steps. There, and then we'll end up at 4. So, meaning, 12 minus 8 is 4. Or it's the same as saying na 12 plus negative 8 is 4. How about 17 minus 19? So, let's locate 17 on the number line. Dito siya. And then, facing to the left, ating character, kasi nandito yung mga negative values. And then, we move 19 steps. So, we'll end up at negative 2. 17 minus 19 is negative 2. So, pansinin niyo, since subtraction, so nakaharap siya sa left, and then mag-move forward siya ng 19 steps kung saan siya nakaharap. Okay? So, let's see the other examples. Ngayon naman, sagutan natin yung third part, which is yung true or false. So, dito sa part na to, we're not gonna use the number line. So, i-analyze natin yung math statements. And, I'll also share some techniques na hindi ginagamitan ng number line. Kasi, for instance, pag malaki na yung number, hindi na efficient gumamit ng number line. Before we start with this number, share ko muna sa inyo yung mga napansin natin dun sa past natin na exercises. So, napansin natin na kapag parehong positive yung number, pag in-add, positive din yung sagot. And then, pag parehong negative, negative din yung sagot. Pero, kung yung isa positive, yung isa negative, hindi natin ma-determine agad kung positive or negative yung answer. Depende dun sa integers na ina-add natin. So, true or false? 5 plus negative 3 is equal to 8. I-analyze muna natin yung number. So, this is a positive number. This one is a negative number. So, positive and then negative. Ang technique dyan, subtract natin yung numbers. Yung numbers muna, wag muna natin pansinin yung sign. So, 5 minus 3, that's equal to 2. And then, we're gonna check. Check natin yung sign nila. Ito, positive. Ito, negative. Alin ba yung mas malaki, 5 o 3? Mas malaki yung 5. So, ang susundin natin na sign is yung sign ng 5, which is positive. So, ibig sabihin, 5 plus negative 3 is positive 2. Ibig sabihin, 5 plus negative 3 is equal to 8 is a false statement. Okay, next. Negative 10 plus negative 1, is it equal to negative 11? So, sabi natin kanina, pag parehong negative yung number, tapos in-add natin, negative pa rin yung sagot. So, we just need to add itong 10, tsaka yung 1, and then we'll end up with 11. And negative siya kasi pareho silang negative. So, therefore, this statement is true. How about 17 minus negative 8? Is it equal to 25? So, kapag ganito naman, kung subtraction, ang technique is change natin yung sign. From negative, magiging positive to, and then we'll proceed to addition. So, from this, magiging ganito siya. So, parehong positive. So, ibig sabihin, alam natin na positive yung magiging sagot natin. 17 plus 8 will be positive 25. Therefore, this statement is true. Ito naman. 6 plus negative 16. So, addition ulit ng numbers or integers na magkaiba yung sign. So, subtract lang natin 16 and 6. So, positive 10 yun. Pero dahil mas malaki yung 16 sa 6, check natin yung sign ng 16. Negative, diba? So, dapat yung sagot din natin dito will be negative. So, ibig sabihin, 6 plus negative 16 is equal to 10 is a false statement. Okay, subtraction ulit. Negative 19 minus 12 is equal to negative 7. Tignan natin kung true or false yung statement na to. So, sabi natin, pag subtraction, change natin yung sign ng second number and then i-add natin sila. So, negative 19 minus 12 is like negative 19 plus negative 12. So, i-add natin, 19 plus 12 is 31. So, since pareho na silang negative, negative din yung magiging sign natin. Ayan. So, therefore, this statement is false. That's it, and thank you for watching. See you in our next videos.